small carpentry workshop, a 65-year-old craftsman has hand-built a machine that will astonish the world. This device shapes massive tree logs with millimeter precision using smart sensors. This system, which he calls Smart Profiling Large Diameter Logs, is no ordinary lathe. It automatically detects both the cutting angle and surface smoothness. This log splitter is no ordinary wood splitter. Powered entirely by hydraulic systems, this device can split even the toughest logs in seconds with tons of compressive force. Its intelligent piston structure automatically detects the thickness of each log and adjusts the force accordingly. Its blade is hardened with a special heat treatment. The Oregon Log Splitter is a technological marvel that completely redefines wood splitting. Its high-pressure hydraulic system splits logs in seconds. Powered by robust steel pistons, the special blade design ensures every cut is smooth and symmetrical. The automatic return system ensures fast, efficient, and safe operation. The J3200.in Pro is a professional-grade hydraulic log splitter and a true workhorse of engineering. With its massive 32-ton compressive force, it splits even the hardest oak and beech logs in one fell swoop. Its specially designed cutting blade perfectly splits the log down the center upon impact. Its durable steel frame ensures long-lasting use, while its intelligent valve system automatically compensates for piston movement. The wood lathe machine is a fascinating technology that transforms wood into a living work of art. A log placed on a turntable begins spinning at high speed. When the craftsman brings his cutting blade close to the surface, the wood is dispersed not like sawdust but like smoke. With every millimetric touch, a cylinder, column, bowl, or table leg is shaped perfectly. What you're watching in this scene isn't your average log sawing job. It's pure, mind-blowing firewood processing. The massive machine automatically takes thick logs, measures their length with laser sensors, and then slices them off in milliseconds with cutting blades. After each cut, a powerful conveyor system is activated, moving the logs along a line and stacking them in seconds. The pallet manufacturing process is one of the most fascinating stages of modern production lines. Massive machine arms automatically align the wooden planks, each cut to the exact millimeter. High-pressure nailing robots then take over, creating a perfect pallet frame in seconds. Aficorsa is an advanced firewood processing system that combines speed, power, and precision in the world of wood processing. This machine automatically feeds and measures logs, then cuts them in milliseconds with a high-torque chainsaw. Powerful hydraulic pistons separate the cuts into equal sections within seconds. The Aficor Roto 66G09 is a fire-powered beast. It grabs massive logs in seconds, its rotating cutting drum cutting them into perfect slices. The hydraulic system is so powerful that even thick oak trunks are split like butter. Intelligent sensors detect the log's length and diameter, automatically adjusting each cut. NPOBARS.RU is a manufacturing giant pushing the boundaries of metalworking and industrial machinery. Inside the factory, steel presses, giant molds, and automated robotic arms operate simultaneously. Each machine shapes raw metal into perfect parts with tons of pressure. The power of this system is so impressive that it's breathtaking to watch a block of steel transform into a complex piece of engineering in just a few seconds. This log debarking machine is truly a stunning feat of engineering. As the log passes through the machine, it practically bursts free of its bark. High-speed rotating steel cylinders strip away the thick bark with millimeter precision. At the same time, a powerful motor system holds the log in place and applies even pressure from all sides. With each rotation, the bark spirals apart, sending chips flying, leaving a smooth, clean surface. This horizontal belt machine slices logs or thick blocks of wainscoting in seconds. Its wide blade track, powerful motor, and high precision make a difference even in jobs where conventional machines struggle. The operator places the massive blocks with just a touch, and everything else is automated. Chips fly, blocks fall, each cut perfectly. Scenes you'll never forget. Here's a giant machine that plays with wood. Logasol's portable sawing line. No matter how large a log is, it transforms it into flat planks or structural lumber in seconds, whether in the field, in the middle of the forest, or in the workshop. It transfers the power of the chainsaw system to the precision cutting belt. The platform set up on legs and portable by just one person dances with the massive logs. When you first see this machine, you'll wonder, is this how you split a log? The Grohe Wagrechtspalter challenges massive logs. First it fully grasps the log, then the patented system kicks in, cutting it in half. The log, which would be difficult for anyone to break through half its thickness in a single move, is split in half, 4 pieces, or even more within seconds. Imagine a carpentry workshop, but not an ordinary one. Every shape, every panel, every detail you envision comes to life not with machines, but with this very device, the BS Rover, a 1632. In its 3 meters by 1.6 meters processing area, it drills holes, inserts routers, and shapes edges in seconds. Its 5-axis head combines aesthetic and technical power. Introducing a real game changer in the lumber industry, the Wood-Mizer LT70 Super Hydraulic. This machine doesn't just cut logs, it takes control of them. It processes logs up to 91 centimeters in diameter, and thanks to the hydraulic system, there's no loading, turning, or weighting involved. It tackles the big job with just one person. Introducing the Oregon Hydraulic Log Splitter, 30 tons of power, cycles per second, and the perfect solution for massive logs. Pull the log aside, the piston lowers, the steel wedge engages, and the log is split in seconds. Fast, powerful, reliable, horizontal or vertical operation on site, operator controlled, workflow uninterrupted. Now, a cutting revolution awaits you. The Oler OLWS 700DN. With its 700mm diameter chrome vanadium saw blade, it saws through all types of logs blindly. With its 400-volt 3-phase motor and 7-kilowatt power, it takes seconds. The blade turns, the log is placed, the cut is made with the help of the support arm, and the result, a sharp, professionally machined workpiece with a cutting depth of exactly 260 millimeters. The Fuxtech CS6150 is a true tour de force. Its 61.5 cubic centimeter engine engages, quietly accelerating the chain, and it's able to slice through thick trunks flawlessly in seconds. With its wide cutting surface, robust chain, and vibration-reducing system, this saw delivers professional results with every move.